Hi guys. We've just built experiment 78 on the John Adams hot wires kit, and as you could probably hear, it's very loud. So experiment 79 adds in a volume control. There'll be links to the other videos that I've done, so you can check the video description and you'll be able to follow along. So we need to rearrange things a little bit here. That's going to come out, that's going to come out, that's going to come out, that's going to go there. I want that. It's going to go there. It's going to go on there. And that's going to go on there. And that's it. That's added the volume control. Oh yes, volume control works. We just don't want music.
West of England, campaigners in Bristol say they will not stop fighting plans to build 260 homes at beauty spot Brislington Meadows. Local resident Heidi Taylor says nobody wants it. The people of Brislington are...
Yeah, well, that was simple and quick. So that was experiment 79. I don't think I'll go through all the circuits in this one. A 3-note electric organ. Touch controlled musical sound effects. Traffic lights. Musical radio broadcast. Oh, yeah, we might have a go at that one. So we'll do another video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.